Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gathering compatible hardware and accounts. Pick between Steam VR base stations with trackers or an IMU suit and wearable trackers. Each needs specific ports and drivers. Once chosen, make sure your PC meets the GPU, USB, and CPU requirements and sign into Steam and any vendor app. Plug in and power devices, then install Steam VR and the tracker manufacturer drivers. After that, pair your headset first so tracking devices register in the same environment. Next, you physically place and align the tracking system. Mount base stations high and angled to cover the play area, or strap IMU sensors snugly to limbs. Location matters for occlusion and accuracy. Once devices are attached, launch Steam VR Room Setup, define your play boundary, and calibrate the floor height. Use the vendor app to run tracker calibration and set inverse kinematics limits. Adjust hip and foot offsets so movements map naturally. Make small iterative tests. Walk, squat, and check pose alignment. Finally, you refine mapping and verify consistent tracking. Open your VR body mapping or avatar app and assign trackers to hip, chest, and feet bones, then tweak offsets and sensitivity until limb positions look natural. Perform full range motion tests and record any drift, jitter, or clipping. If issues appear, first check line of sight for base stations, ensure powered USB hubs supply enough current, and update firmware. These fixes resolve most problems. Once stable, save profiles and you're ready to play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.